The aluminum picnic table by Picnic Time is a compact fold-out table with seats for 4 that you can take anywhere. It has a retro look all its own, with a laminate tabletop framed in aluminum and a very sleek design. The legs and seats fold into the table so the item is easy to store and transport, and it only weighs 23 pounds. It fits easily into the trunk of your car, RV or boat. This portable table has a durable aluminum alloy frame that comfortably seats 4 adults. It has a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds per seat and 20 pounds for the tabletop. The table can also be set up as a low coffee or outdoor concert table. Picnic Time's aluminum picnic table is ideal for outdoor or indoor use whenever you need an extra table and seats.